Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and we're going to jump into yet another small and fresh new SEO case study. So in terms of the reason why I say small, this is a pretty small campaign in the sense of we're only targeting about 20 keywords in total. Now since starting, and it's not been running for long at all actually, we managed to get 16 keywords out of the 20 into the top 3 pages, and out of those we managed to get 13, so more than half of which into the first page of Google, and then 10, which is exactly half, interestingly, is the amount of keywords we managed to get into the first top 3 results. So this is quite important in terms of an initial case study, because when we started with this site, the site was very well built, but there were a lot of hidden technical errors from an SEO perspective. So we're talking the likes of core web vitals on the search console front, we're talking the likes of various error server codes, things that aren't typically and easily findable or visible, but things that of course a proper search engine optimization specialist can resolve. And so having done so, we managed to get them to quite a few various page ones, and when you collect obviously the various ones that they're collected or grown in this sense, they hit 6.6k on certain keywords like this one for personal fitness trainer across all of Canada, which is a very interesting result indeed, and they're still on their way up to be the first result out of all of these in the very near future. Now this site has managed to gain, with just a very small campaign, 25,000 users a month, so it's very extensive in that sense, and it's continued to grow across this period. That means evidently that the organic is working quite well. Now if you'd like to make that your campaign, we absolutely can. Just reach out to us below and we'll make it happen. Cheers.